So how can I make a request to get the club directory updated at PROBUS Canada? First, we need to go to the website. One easy way to go is to probus.org. What you see at the first page may not be identical on your machine, because the navigation bar is only shown by default if the screen is large enough. I'll simulate a slightly smaller screen, and you see how the navigation bar appears to have disappeared. However, you can bring it back by clicking on the icon with the 3 horizontal bar to bring the sidebar back. The link we are interested in is called Find a Club. So you click on this, and that brings up the page. And within a few seconds, we will also have the first 10 clubs that are stored in the database available. You could step through all of the clubs 10 by 10 at a time, but that seems a lot of effort to find your club. So it's a lot easier to use the search facility. For example, you can look at Vancouver clubs. There's 8 of them. Maybe you're only interested in women club, so there's 5 of them, and maybe it's the one with a Lions Gate. So you see how I've used 3 keywords to home in on just the club I'm interested in. I don't want to make a change to a club that I don't belong to, so I want to make a change to the Beaver Valley PROBUS Club, my club. Once I have my club available in this display, I click on the green icon, which once I click on it turns red. We have more information now available, and the one we are interested in is at the bottom, and it is labeled Request an Update. I click on this, and this will open up a new tab with a form that already has all the known information pre-populated. The directors would like you to enter your email address, your name, and your title so that they can validate the request. In this example, all I want to do is make a change to the number of current members that my club has. So I click on this line and then on the next button. This shows me now a subset of all of the information that is stored, in particular the last entry for current members, which I wanted to change to a different number. Once that is done, I am ready to submit. So I click on this last line and then on the next button. Once I'm done with this, I'm landing on the last page. Here I can select whether or not I want to get a copies emailed to me. And once that is done, I'll click on the submit button. This will now send an email to your district director or his or her delegate for review and potential approval or potential rejection in case there is information missing or needs to be corrected. If you don't receive any feedback from the director within 5 days, then the request will be processed automatically. That is how you make an update request for the PROBUS Canada Club Directory.